Hey, you see this thing? Do you know how bad it is for you? Like, I'm serious. Do you know how bad your phone really is for you? Because we spend our days telling ourselves that it's actually good for us, that we're communicating with others, that we're learning, and that is keeping us in the trap of letting our phones control us. Now the first thing is, why is it so bad? Well, when was the last time you picked up your phone? Was it really you who chose it? Or did you get a streak on your phone telling you that if you don't go on their app, you're gonna lose that streak and you're gonna go back to zero? Because there are so many apps that use this to their advantage. They send you truckloads of notifications to get you to click on their apps. Because I have talked about it millions of times, but there is something I need you to remember. While you were not even born yet, these companies were spending billions of dollars to make their apps as addicting as possible so they can make the most money out of you. So when you look at apps that have streaks and anything like that, it is because they know that is how to keep you on their app. If you have a streak on your phone, what's gonna happen is every single day, even though you don't want to, you're gonna go on it for at least 5-10 minutes just so that you can stay their customer and you can extend your streak. So this is the first step I want you to take right now, okay? And it is very simple. I want you to go into your settings, go to accessibility, display, color filters, and then switch it to grayscale. Now what is this gonna do? Well, the biggest way that companies make sure you go on their app is by saturating your eyes. Because from natural instinct, our bodies have learned to look for vibrant colors and follow them. So they make their apps, their logos as vibrant and as saturated as possible so that you would click on it and you would release insane amounts of dopamine, which would reassure to your brain that this is good for you and will turn it into a habit. Now, if this is all a little complicated, let me simplify it. When something feels good, your mind is telling you to keep doing it. That is how habits are built, and that is why you are still addicted to your phone. But there's something that you can do to counteract this, and that is grayscale your phone so that all those saturated colors that they spent months to perfect are gone. Now the next thing is pretty simple, and what I want you to do is just get rid of every social media that you have on your phone. Because all social media, although it makes us think that it is good for us because we learn from it and we communicate with others through it, the bigger issue is that we are spending hours on it without even thinking about it, and not only that, but we are comparing ourselves to others which aren't even real. So get rid of it completely. Although some of your friends might be mad that you're not answering their messages, just tell them to talk to you on WhatsApp where there's no dopamine. And if they don't want to, then you shouldn't care. So once you get rid of all your social media on your phone, and if you still have any mobile games, I forgot to even mention it, get rid of those too. Because although I know you spent a bunch of time and a bunch of money on it, if you keep it, you are just gonna spend and waste more time on it. So just admit the mistake you made, admit the amount of money you've lost, and stop it there. Delete the app forever, and whatever you do, never re-download it. So now you've gotten rid of all your social media, you've gotten rid of all your games, and you keep your phone on Do Not Disturb. What else is there? Well, now this is how you actually turn it into a tool. There are so many things that you can do on your phone. Download apps like habit trackers, meditation apps, so that you can actually use it instead of hurting you, to help you on your journey, to help you with guided meditation, to help you find the books that you want to, and to actually communicate with others by networking through WhatsApp or something like that, I don't know. But now, as always, that is all I have for today's video. That is how to turn your phone from controlling you into a tool that you can use to actually help you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. God bless you, and amen.